Welcome back everyone, how are you? Today we are going to learn some phrases which we can use in our everyday life instead of using the phrase I am busy. So we always use the term I am busy every time we have a lot to do. We have so much work that we're not able to attend them. So what do we say? I am busy. You're not able to go somewhere. So instead of saying I am busy, what are some alternative phrases that we can use which actually means the same as I am busy? Let's learn some of them. The first one is I'm booked up. I am booked up. Number 2, I'm swamped. I am swamped. Number 3, I have got a lot to do. Number 3, I have got a lot to do. Number 4, I have a lot going on. Number 4, I have a lot going on. Number 5, I have a lot on the go. I have a lot on the go. Number 5, I have got a lot on my plate right now. I have got a lot on my plate right now. Number 7, I'm up to my ears. I am up to my ears. Number 8, I am tied up. I am tied up. Number 9, I can't take anything else on. I can't take anything else on. Number 10, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Number 11, I am overworked. I am overworked. Number 12, I'm overstretched or overloaded. I'm overstretched or I'm overloaded. Number 13, I'm snowed under. This is a very new one. I am snowed under. Number 14, my diary is full. My diary is full. Number 15, I have other priorities. I have other priorities. তাহলে আমরা আজকে 15 phrases শিখেছি যেটা আমরা ইউজ করতে পারি instead of using I am busy. So let's try to practice all of these phrases, right? And I will post a picture of these phrases in my next post. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will come back again and show you guys much more interesting simple sentences, simple phrases that we can use in our everyday conversations, in our everyday spoken English. And English is going to be much more easier for all of you to speak. And someday we all can start a live chat and we can chat among ourselves, and we will also follow that with a quiz. So whatever I'm saying right now, we are going to have a quiz. Bye bye.